In the heart of ancient Rome, amidst the grandeur and tumult of the Republic, one name stood out above all others: Julius Caesar. Born into a world of political intrigue and military conquest, Caesar would rise to become one of history's most iconic and controversial figures. Born into a patrician family in 100 BCE, Julius Caesar was destined for greatness from a young age. His exceptional intellect, charismatic demeanor, and unmatched ambition propelled him onto the political stage of Rome, where he quickly distinguished himself as a formidable statesman and military leader. Caesar's military campaigns across Gaul, Britain, and Egypt cemented his reputation as one of Rome's greatest generals. His daring tactics, strategic brilliance, and unwavering determination led to a series of stunning victories that expanded Rome's empire to its greatest extent. However, Caesar's rise to power was not without its challenges. In 44 BCE, a group of senators, fearing his growing influence, conspired to assassinate him, plunging Rome into chaos and setting the stage for the fall of the Republic. Despite his untimely demise, Julius Caesar's legacy endures as a testament to the heights of human ambition and the complexities of power. His life and achievements continue to fascinate and inspire us, reminding us of the enduring impact of one man on the course of history. Join us next time as we continue to explore the lives and legacies of history's most legendary figures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest episodes.